What's up, everybody? My name is V with Pray for Snow Auto Detailing, and I'm pumped to have you here in the garage because we are going to detail today a 2008 Jeep Liberty. Doesn't matter the color because we're only doing the inside, but it's white-ish. I don't know the actual name, sorry. It has about 89,000 miles, and the interior basically has nothing in it because it literally has nothing in it. Oh, one thing. Flavor summer, I can't smell it. Summer liner. But we're gonna detail the inside. It's a pre-sale detail, so we're just gonna get it looking amazing for the next owner. And there's not, I already mentioned, there's no personal items in here. There's a little bit of dog hair, but this is going to be quick, easy, and of course, a hoot. So let's get to work by taking out mats, no personal items, which is kind of lame, kind of a little bit of a letdown-ish. I looked at removing the seats and there's enough room underneath. I don't see the need to. It's actually in great shape. So we'll just get it. And I just wanted to comment on, is this not the skinniest floor mat you've ever seen? Look at how narrow that is. I didn't even catch it when I pulled it in the garage, but that is kind of entertaining. I'm excited to watch this Jeep get restored back to glorious, beautiful gray too. I'm assuming it's gray. Let's check it out. Look at how amazing that looks. Came back quite nice. I really like cleaning those floor mats because the carpet is a really light gray color, and every pass with that extractor was it was pretty cool because it just transformed it. I think the rest of the carpet's gonna be pretty similar, even though it's not very dirty. We'll start here in the back with the vacuuming. Well, we are obviously going to have to lily brush a little bit, and there's just some dust. This is really in great shape, especially for an 08. KB, so what's next? We have carpet cleaning. Are there any spots you're worried about? You know, up there's a little spot, and then this area is not too bad. Back in the trunk area, there's just a little bit. I think that area is gonna be transformative, but other than that, not too bad. I am pumped about leather cleaning, but carpet cleaning is gonna be meh. What do you think? I think it'll be fun, but not crazy transformative. Leather cleaning's cool. A couple of these lighter colored plastics are gonna be pretty dope to clean too. Sweet, let's get to it. sometimes carpet cleaning is the absolute sickest. You gotta see this. Look at the difference with after the carpet cleaning, how beautiful that looks. It's a beautiful gray color. And look at this. Vacuum, so it's dust free for the most part. But look at that line. Before, after. Oh, that was a sick transformation. I kind of knew it would be just because of the color of the carpet and because I am awesome, but super pumped. So let's finish up this part, then we'll go to plastic cleaning. For plastic cleaning, I have the steam cleaner, which is an awesome tool to break up all of the dust and debris, especially if it's really ingrained into the plastics. And then I'll use my detailing brushes, microfiber towels, and 3D APC, which is an all-purpose cleaner. Also, look at how dirty these plastics are. I'll try and remember to do an after shot because sometimes I'm really bad at that. But these lighter plastics clean up so good. They're a little bit more challenging to clean, but they look really good after. The carpets look great. Let's make the plastics look great as well. See if the steam cleaner's ready. It is. Let's get the APC. Oh, fill up some more. And microfiber towels and detailing brushes. And because I found the system works the best, we're going to clean the leather at the same time that we are cleaning the seats. So I'll grab a detailing brush for that. And the best cleaner one of the better cleaners I've found for leather is just that same 3D APC. I just gotta grab one more microfiber towel. Sometimes I get crap online because I use a detailing brush on big areas, but you know what? It works really well. Watch this. I'm just gonna try and do this square. Rectangle. Look at that difference without even taping off. That is with APC and a detailing brush. That is it. Doesn't that look so sick? Love it. Hey camera, do you want to do some action cam? Let's do it. For leather protection, I'm going to use Hydra Leather from the Chemical Guys, microfiber applicator, and a microfiber towel to level and wipe off. To make these plastics look just amazing, I'm going to dress them with GoPro Hero. I've got a myriad of tools to do it. It's my favorite product at the moment for this purpose. As I go along protecting this, or dressing this plastic, I thought about this customer and I had a funny story. Last time I detailed one of their vehicles, I had removed the front seats and then I lowered the windows down, so I had to turn the accessory switch on, lowered the windows down. Well, because I had removed their seats and had turned the key to accessory mode, or push the push button to accessory mode, the OnStar system in their vehicle alerted them. And as I've explained on the channel before, I do most of my details in the late afternoon into the wee morning hours. And so I got a text message, a panic text message, or a half panic text message at 11:38 p.m. with the screenshots of the alerts they were getting from their OnStar asking if they were okay because their airbag sensors were turned off in their vehicle, and they asked if I was okay. So I quickly sent them a picture of the seats safely sitting on the ground and their vehicle safely in the garage. So I had not gone and wrecked their vehicle, but I can only imagine what first went through their heads, because it's that would be something scary, you know? For the windows, I will use Streak Free from Chemical Guys, a microfiber towel, and this tiny dinosaur. They keep showing up everywhere. I have no idea how, but it like jumps in different drawers all the time, or it seems like it always gets taken out and then I find it again, so I put it in a different drawer. I don't know, but I'm gonna call him or her the traveling dinosaur. So we're gonna use the traveling dinosaur to help us clean the windows. As always, I would like to take just a moment to thank the customer. Thank you, Epic customer, for letting me detail this Jeep Liberty. It was a blast. Really, really, really low-key detail, but so much fun to do. I hope you enjoy it. I was really happy with how, I am really happy with how those leather seats turned out. That white was just slightly stained, but I think this Hydra leather will protect it. Hope you liked the video, and I hope you like the results of the detail. seriously think most of all, the leather. Being able to clean that leather from that brown that it was to this really nice white like it's supposed to be, it's probably my favorite part of this detail. It was kind of fun. Subscribe, another video, share the content please, because I want this to grow. And of course, head on down and detail that like button. Catch you next time. Bye.